What if I told you that one man rose from rejection and humiliation to become the most feared ruler in southern Africa? This is the story of Shaka Zulu, the warrior who built an empire through blood, strategy, and sheer will. Shaka was born around 1787 to Senzanga Kona, leader of a small and unimportant Zulu clan. But his birth was controversial. His mother Nandi was not properly married, and many believed Shaka was illegitimate. Because of this, he and his mother were driven away. They lived among strangers where young Shaka was mocked, beaten, and treated like an outsider. But pain was shaping something dangerous inside him. Shaka's life changed when he joined the army of Dingus Wayo. Here, he finally found belonging. He trained harder than anyone. He fought with unmatched courage. He quickly rose through the ranks. Soon, Shaka became one of Dingus Wayo's top commanders. But he wasn't just a fighter. He was a thinker. Shaka completely changed warfare. He replaced long throwing spears with short stabbing spears. He forced soldiers into close combat. He introduced the deadly bullhorn formation. Enemies were surrounded and destroyed. His army became unstoppable. In 1816, Shaka's father died. With support from Dingus Wayo, Shaka seized power, eliminating his rival brother and becoming leader of the Zulu. But everything changed when Dingus Wayo was killed by Zwide. Shaka stepped into the power vacuum, and then he began conquering. One by one, neighboring chiefdoms fell. Some were destroyed, others were absorbed. In just a few years, Shaka united over 100 chiefdoms into one powerful kingdom, the Zulu Empire. No one could stop him. Shaka's wars caused massive destruction across southern Africa. Entire communities fled, kingdoms collapsed, millions were displaced. This period became known as the Mfecane, which means a time of fear, want, and survival. Shaka built one of the most disciplined armies in history. Young men were turned into full-time soldiers. Strict training and loyalty were enforced. Disobedience meant death. He organized them into age-based regiments called Amabuto, creating unity and strength. His warriors became the terror of the land. Shaka ruled as an absolute king. He controlled the army, the people, even marriage and relationships. He never married and feared having an heir. His rule brought strength, but also fear. In 1827, tragedy struck. His mother Nandi died. Shaka was devastated, but his grief turned into cruelty. Many people were executed for not mourning enough. Even entire communities were punished. His people began to turn against him. In 1828, while his armies were away, his half-brothers, Dingane Kasenzanga Kona and Muhlangana, plotted against him. With the help of a servant, they attacked Shaka near his palace. The great warrior king was stabbed to death. He died without an heir. Even in death, Shaka's impact remained. The kingdom he built survived him, and later fought powerful enemies like the British in the Anglo-Zulu War. Today, Shaka Zulu is remembered as a military genius, a nation builder, a feared and powerful ruler, but also a man whose ambition came at a heavy cost. Was Shaka Zulu a hero or a ruthless conqueror? Tell me what you think in the comments. If you enjoy the story and want more stories like this, subscribe to the channel at Africa Folktales, Movies and Storytelling.